Students, today in this video we are going to discuss about rate of doing work and commercial unit of energy. Now first of all, we see that all objects do not work at the same rate. If you travel the same journey with bicycle, and if you cover the same journey with bicycle and with a motorcycle, so what difference you find? You find that you are able to cover up it in shorter time when you are using motorcycle, because motorcycle delivers energy at faster rate. It means it does more work in less time. Okay, a stronger person may do certain work in less time. Okay, and so and a powerful vehicle completes a journey in less time. So here we take a term that is known as power. Now, what is power? Power is defined as rate of doing work or rate of transfer of energy. So rate of doing work or rate of transfer of energy is known as power. So according to definition, formula for power will be work upon time. Whenever we have to find out time, whenever we have to find out rate, we have to divide it by time. Okay, so power will be represented by P, work with W and time with T. So P equals to W upon T. Now unit of power. Now what is the unit of work? The unit of work is joule and unit of time is second. So unit of power will be joule per second. Or we can use the unit watt, which is taken in respect of, in honor of James Watt. Hope you all you know about James Watt. So unit of SI unit of power is watt, WATT. Now how will you define this unit? How will you define 1 watt? So suppose if 1 joule work is done in 1 second, then the power of that object will be 1 watt. Or object is transferring energy, 1 joule energy in 1 second, so its power will be 1 watt. Now what is a smaller unit? So we can use a bigger unit, that is kilowatt. Now 1 kilowatt equals to 1000 watt. Now we know that all object they do not release the energy at the same rate at every time. So we use the concept of average power. Now what is average power? Average power is the total energy consumed by total time taken. So total energy consumed upon total time taken, we will get the average power. Now next, when we talk about commercial unit, commercial unit. So what is a very small unit? So we use one more unit, that is known as kWh. Now what is kWh? Now kWh means, assume that there is a machine that transfers 1000 joule energy every second. Okay, and it works for 1 hour. Then the energy or work done by this machine will be 1 kWh. If it is releasing energy at 1000 joule at every second, and if it works for 1 hour, then energy consumed or work done by the machine will be 1 kWh, 1 kilowatt hour. So here we can express 1 kilowatt hour as 1 kilowatt multiplied by 1 hour. Now in 1 kilowatt there are 1000 watt, and in 1 hour there are 3600 seconds, 3600 seconds. So it can be written as 3600 joule means, and if you write it in scientific notation, it will be 3.6 into 10 raised power 6 joule. So 1 kWh is equals to 3.6 into 10 raised power 6 joule. And 1 kWh is also denoted as 1 unit. Whatever electricity bill we pay, that we pay in terms of unit. So here 1 unit denotes 1 kWh, which is equals to 3.6 into 10 raised power 6 joule.